Welcome back to my channel PetSpan. Today I am going to tell you about the 3 best dog training collars with the remote. So let's start it. The first one is Doctra 1900 Wetland 3x4 mile IPX9K. The 1900S Wetland comes with the durable receiver collar that is IPX9K waterproof certified, meaning it has passed the International Protection Make system. Products are verified if they can withstand a close range high pressure liquid spray for 4 angles, which make it ideal choice for wetland hunting dog or any dog that just loves to be in water. The 1900S Wetlands come with the olive green receiver with the camouflage strap that wrap around the receiver and dog neck. Its seamless ergonomic design comfortably fit on your dog to ensure consistent fit during your outdoor activities. The range of this training e-collar is perfect for simple to complete training command for your dog. With the range of 3x4 mile, the e-collar is perfect for serious obedience hunting and canine training. With the 127 stimulation level, you will have no problem finding the perfect level for your dog with the gradual and precise stimulation control. The LCD screen is bright and easy to read, while the level can be adjusted precisely at any time with the hasted dial. The e-collar has 2 different correction types. The first correction type is a neck and the second correction type is a constant. The e-collar also has a HPP, which offers a clear vibration to alert dog with the training. Find the right fit for your dog with the dynamic e-collar. The second one is Educator Contact Points for Educator Remote Dog Training Collars. Some dogs are sensitive to nickel, which is found in all stainless steel products, including our standard contact points. Keep a watchful eye for redness or any signs of irritation where the contact point touches the skin. This should be done early at fit and then slowly transition to the ones every 4 hours after a month of daily wearing of the e-collar. At the first sign of redness, immediately switch to our titanium contact points. Dog with a sensitive skin and contain breed with the non-skin sensitive such as pit bull, terriers and boxers should be switched earlier in the process as a precautionary move. Comfort pads are also available for dog with the sensitive skin and for owner who want to leave their e-collar on their dog for more than 8 hours deep. The third one is Educator e-collar remote dog training collar. One dog system with 1 mile range. Medium large receiver 2.7 into 1.7 into 1.24 OZ for dog 20 pounds and larger. Ergonomic soft watch design transmitted allow you to watch your dog at all times. Delivers a tapping sensation similar to vibration but more intense, making it an effective addition to the stimulation. User selectable stimulation level from 1 to 100 with additional boost stimulation selectable from 1 to 60. Include 2 sets of contact point. Lithium polymer rechargeable batteries with a dual charge 2-hour full charge. Safe and human dog training to improve effectiveness and reduce stress on your dog. Educator training collars use the lowest level of blend stimulus to prove behavior and reduce the stress of owning a dog. Every Educator dog training collar is built to the highest quality standard and engineered with the withstand extreme environmental dog training condition. We fully assemble each Educator dog training collar and test all over the product in the USA. If you have any question about this product, so click the given below link and please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.